Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best health savings is probably one of the most overlooked yet powerful financial tools available for managing healthcare costs, allowing you to pay for eligible medical expenses with pre-tax dollars, effectively reducing your taxable income and stretching your budget further for essential health and wellness products, making every dollar count towards your family's well-being without the usual tax burden. Number 5. GENIANI Electric Heating Pad, 12x24, Tabby Gray. This device delivers consistent warmth within minutes. It's designed to ease everyday tension and stiffness after long days, workouts, or cold evenings, fitting naturally into any routine. Measuring 12 by 24 inches, it comfortably wraps around your back, shoulders, neck, or legs. Its flexible, soft surface contours to every curve, offering balanced warmth wherever you need it. You can choose from 3 heat levels, low, medium, or high, to match your comfort needs. The built-in auto shut-off feature turns it off automatically after 2 hours, ensuring peace of mind. Made from premium plush material, it feels cozy against your skin and promotes even heat transfer. This device is machine washable, just unplug it, wash, and reuse for continuous comfort. It provides steady warmth to help ease monthly tension naturally. This offers a non-invasive, calming way to stay balanced and comfortable during menstrual cycles. This electric throw provides quick, even heating with both dry and moist options. It can be used as a heated blanket or throw, offering cozy warmth and relaxation whether on the couch, in bed, or at the office. Finding the right gift isn't always easy, but this makes it simple. It's a cozy, caring present for anyone, moms, dads, friends, or coworkers, helping ease pain after work, workouts, or travel. What we like? This pad delivers consistent warmth within minutes, offering quick relief. Its generous 12x24 size ensures complete flexibility for various body parts. If you're looking for fast, targeted relief and easy maintenance, this is an excellent choice for everyday comfort. What people say. Number 4. M3 Retainer Cleanser Tablets Invisalign Cleaner. Keep your dental appliances fresh and hygienic with these powerful cleansing tablets. They are specifically designed to maintain the clarity and cleanliness of your retainers. Say goodbye to unwanted smells. This advanced formula effectively neutralizes and removes odors, leaving your appliances smelling minty fresh. Restore the original look of your retainers. These tablets work diligently to remove discoloration and stubborn stains, ensuring they always look their best. Don't let plaque compromise your oral hygiene. It helps to dissolve and remove plaque, contributing to a healthier mouth. Enjoy a convenient 4-month supply, ensuring you're always prepared. These versatile tablets are also perfect for dentures, mouth guards, and other dental baths. What we like? These tablets effectively remove odors, discoloration, and plaque from your oral appliances. They provide a convenient and thorough cleaning solution for daily hygiene. If you wear retainers, aligners, or dentures and want to keep them fresh and clear, this product is perfect for maintaining oral health. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 3. Protect Life Survival First Aid Kit, 200 PCS. Introducing the Protect Life First Aid Kit, your essential companion for safety. This comprehensive kit is designed to provide immediate care in various situations, ensuring peace of mind wherever you are. Whether at home or in the workplace, it's prepared for unexpected emergencies. Keep it readily accessible to handle minor injuries and provide crucial support. Planning an outdoor adventure or a road trip? This compact kit is perfect for camping, hiking, and your car. It ensures you're equipped for any unexpected bumps along the way. Its mini travel size makes it incredibly convenient to carry. You can easily fit it in your backpack, glove compartment, or luggage without taking up much space. Inside, you'll find 200 high-quality pieces, carefully selected for a wide range of first aid needs. These items are vital for addressing cuts, scrapes, sprains, and more. Don't let emergencies catch you off guard. This pack is your reliable partner for outdoor emergency survivals, offering critical supplies when you need them most. What we like? This comprehensive kit contains 200 essential pieces for various emergencies. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for home, travel, or outdoor adventures. If you need a versatile and reliable first aid solution for unexpected situations, this kit ensures you're prepared wherever you go. What people say. Number 2. Protect Life Business First Aid Kit, 200 pieces. Ensure the well-being of everyone in your workplace with this comprehensive first aid solution. It's designed to provide immediate care for common injuries and emergencies, keeping your team safe. This kit comes fully stocked with 200 essential medical supplies. You'll have everything needed to handle a wide range of minor incidents, ensuring you're always prepared. Whether it's an office, a school, or any commercial establishment, it's perfectly suited. It meets the demands of various professional environments, making it versatile for your needs. Be prepared for unexpected situations with confidence. This emergency first aid kit provides peace of mind, knowing you can respond quickly and effectively when it matters most. Don't compromise on safety for your employees and customers. Equip your business with this vital resource and protect your most valuable assets. What we like. Designed specifically for office and commercial settings, this kit provides 200 crucial medical supplies. It helps businesses meet safety standards and ensures immediate care for employees. If you are responsible for workplace safety and need a robust first aid solution for your business or school, this is the kit for you. What people say. Number 1. HealthSmart 500 ml Essential Oil Diffuser. Discover the HealthSmart 500 ml Essential Oil Diffuser. It's designed to enhance your environment with soothing aromas. With its generous 500 ml capacity, this diffuser is ideal for large rooms. It ensures a consistent and widespread fragrance experience. Not just an aromatherapy diffuser, it also functions as a cool mist humidifier. This dual capability helps improve air quality and your well-being. Tailor your experience with its adjustable timer and various mist modes. You can set it to operate exactly how you prefer, for ultimate convenience. Enhance the ambience with its 7 LED light colors. These gentle lights create a calming atmosphere, perfect for relaxation or sleep. What we like. This diffuser covers large rooms, providing a soothing cool mist and the benefits of aromatherapy. It features adjustable timers and 7 LED light colors to create the perfect ambience. If you want to enhance your living space with pleasant scents, improve air quality, and enjoy a relaxing atmosphere, this device is an excellent addition. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.